equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on assembling the MSI MS16P5 and repairing its motherboard. Let's dive right in. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a set of tweezers. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any screws or components. Begin by removing the back cover of the laptop. Use the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the screws located at the back. Be careful with the screws. They can be of different lengths, so keep them organized. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you assess any issues before you start. Once the back cover is off, you'll see the internal components. It's crucial to clean the internal area before proceeding. Use compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and vents. This will help maintain optimal performance. Next, let's focus on the motherboard. If you need to replace or repair it, carefully disconnect all cables and components attached to it. Take note of where each cable connects. You can use your phone to take pictures for reference. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help. Now, remove the screws securing the motherboard. Keep these screws in a safe place, as they will be needed for reassembly. Once the screws are out, gently lift the motherboard from its position. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any remaining screws or clips. If you're repairing the motherboard, inspect it for any visible damage, such as burnt components or broken traces. For minor repairs, you may need a soldering iron and solder. Ensure you have the right tools for this task. If you're unsure, we can provide a quote before repair, so you know what to expect. After addressing any issues, it's time to reassemble. Place the motherboard back into its slot, securing it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect all cables, ensuring they are firmly in place. Now, let's reattach the back cover. Align it properly and screw it back in place, ensuring all screws are tightened securely. Finally, power on the laptop to test if everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Remember, no calls, no travel. We are here to help you from the comfort of your home. And that's it. You've successfully assembled the MSI MS16P5 and performed a motherboard repair. Thank you for following along, and we hope this guide has been helpful. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.